Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. If you're new here, do subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for more such videos. Since no traveling is happening during this quarantine, I just started rewatching all my Thailand videos. Watching that, I came to know that I forgot to post one video which I shooted in Asiatique Pier. So I thought of posting that today. If you haven't watched all my Thailand vlogs, I'm linking all the links in the description. You can watch that and start watching this video. In this video, I am at Bangkok visiting a famous spot called Asiatique Pier. Asiatique, the riverfront, is one of the most unique and popular night markets in Bangkok. It gives you an experience of shopping in a mall and a night bazaar. It has boutique stalls, restaurants, lots of street food joints, entertainment avenues, and also gorgeous riverview sites. Asiatique is a paradise for foodies. There are around 40 restaurants in the bazaar. Some of them are along the riverside deck, beautifully lit with the classical jazz and local music playing in the background. It also has international dining experience. You have everything from Japanese, Italian, Korean, American, Thai, seafood, Chinese, and also Turkish. I'm here at Asiatique. I'm going to try this Asiatique Skywheel. It costs around 450 Thai baht per person. So I hope this would be a new experience and I would love it also. Let's see. Come, let's travel together. This Asiatic ferry wheel promises unforgettable views of Bangkok city and the riverfront. It is a fun-filled way to admire the city from all different heights and angles as you enjoy 3 to 4 rotations in cool and comfy cabins. see the lights of Bangkok. It's really good, and I don't have words to describe it. You have to come here. You have to be in this ferry wheel to experience it. I'm here at Asiatique shopping mall. I have found a Rajnikant fan over here. You have to meet him.
Me?
Yeah. Hi.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste.
Vanakkam.
Vanakkam. How do you know Vanakkam?
Because I think you are the Tamil, that's why I speak the Tamil.
You are Rajnikant
Yeah,
fan,
of course,
right?
a big of the fan.
Rajnikant,
Yes.
biggest fan. What is your
Yes.
favorite movie?
Rajnikant, every movie is my
Every
favorite.
movie. What is
Yes.
the latest movie do you watch?
2.0.
Two. Was it good?
Yeah, it's super.
Peta?
Better not yet. But we will watch it later.
What do you like about Rajnikant?
Style.
Style.
Yes.
Do something for us. No, like
It's
him.
not- it's not
No.
It's not possible.
Like
but
this,
he
something.
He must great actors, but I don't know how. But he's the best. Yes.
Okay. Sometime you should come to Chennai. You will meet Rajnikant for sure.
Thank you. Yeah, of course. I want to go one day in the Tamil Nadu also.
What is your favorite song of Rajini?
But song, I cannot song also. But every song is so, for me is the best. But I'm watching is translate the language.
Oh, translated
Translate
version.
to, yes. Very good.
He's 69 now.
Yes.
He's aged.
But like still young, yeah.
You're from?
I'm from the Burma, but actually I'm Nepali.
Oh my god, goodness. Super.
Super.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome.
Welcome.
I was really amazed to see a Rajnikant fan here. Even though he is from Nepal, he is so much fond of Rajnikant. When I spoke in Tamil, he just recognized that and he came and spoke to me. This is the best thing about traveling. Each day you will have a surprise for yourself by traveling to each place. expecting things to settle down and travel soon. Let's hope for it. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe. Also hit the bell icon for more such video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. Bye.